Okay, since the Mamzels didn't do very well, I'm going to harvest a Colomba bag again. See, the tops are kind of dying off. This one actually has a weed, which appears to be some form of lettuce. It's like a 10-gallon grow bag. Yeah. I would say this one did a lot better. Okay, let's break her up a bit. Yeah, see? Another one. Again, this was planted sort of end of April. It's now beginning of August. The worm. Let's get rid of the holes. This was planted in a pretty sunny spot. Path in the vegetables. Old. Okay, let's see what we got. Old seed potato. Produce a huge number of potatoes, but they are a decent size. And that is it. Okay, well that's probably 3 pounds. Now that, compare that to the Mamzel Colomba. Quite the difference.